Guys, Zach at Opportunities Niche here. In this video, I'm going to be showing you everything you need to look into before buying a particular crypto asset or a coin on the spot market. Guys, remember, we just started from scratch. As a beginner, just watch our previous video. We started from scratch for a beginner class on how to buy asset crypto on spot. As a beginner, I don't recommend you go into future. Don't listen to anybody telling you to go into futures as a beginner. You need to make some money from spot. If you don't have money at all to trade spot, make some money with airdrop, and you can join our Telegram channel, which is completely free. Nothing is being sold there. You can participate in many airdrop, raise some money, participate in spot trading in this particular bull run. Okay guys, without wasting much time, I can't teach you everything in one video, but I'm going to make sure that I give you the summary of everything you need to know, so that after this class you can go and research a coin by yourself and buy it yourself, and you know the reason why you bought. So firstly, when you want to buy crypto asset, like I explained in my other beginner video, is that crypto asset, just consider them as product, our daily product, seasonal product. Okay, so now, for example, we used to have beans. Always we have beans, we have rice, we have red oil, but there are times where those red oil are cheaper, you buy, and there are times the price goes higher and you sell. So consider that as crypto project. Now the question is, why do you buy red oil? Why did you buy rice? Why did you buy corn, maize, and keep? Why do you prefer to buy red oil? So this is similar to different crypto project. You need to ask yourself, why are you holding this particular coin? So that is question number one. Question number two is that, is it the right time to buy? Yeah, you know buying red oil is good. You know that red oil is a good product, fine and good. You are going to buy red oil and keep to make money. So you are going to buy this particular crypto project and keep to make money. You know that the project is good. That is question number one. Is this product good? Yes, this crypto project is going to move. It's going to add value. You know that. But the second question is it the right time for you to buy? Just like, yeah, red oil is a good product. I will buy red oil. I will buy red oil to make money. But is it the right time to buy that red oil? That is the question. So now, there are times you should buy red oil. There are times you should buy beans, not red oil. There are times you should buy maize, not beans. You understand? There are times you should buy rice and not red oil. Okay. So guys, that is what I'm going to be teaching you. The first question is, now look at this my screen. This is Agi or Agi. This Agi is a crypto project, Delicium. You understand? And this project is a good project. Okay, let me use another one. Yeah, so this project is a good project. How do I know? Let me go and Google this project on CoinMarketCap. Please install these two applications, CoinMarketCap. Look at the name, CoinMarketCap, and TradingView. Okay, so now, so install CoinMarketCap from Apple Store or Play Store. Okay, all right. So now let's search for that project AGI. So this is Delicium, right? Which is AGI. So now let's read about it. Just scroll down to the beginning and read more about it. So I will click on about. Delicium stands at the forefront of technological evolution, merging artificial intelligence (AI) agent with blockchain technology to shape a future where there are two forces. It's okay. I don't need to read more. So guys, in this current market, in crypto, there are things that are trading, and you have to follow the trend, because the trend is the hype. The hype is what moves the market. So the trend is, the narrative is what is going on currently, what people are following, what people want to invest in. So you must follow. Is a powerful tool. Okay, so the narrative, what is currently being discussed under crypto ecosystem, blockchain ecosystem. You see, what is trading is 1, AI, 2, GameFi, 3, decentralization, and 4, GPU storage and rendering. Okay, now AI, you can't deny that AI is what is trading. So this AI, there are crypto that are built under AI project. So now I don't want you to focus on only the AI. You understand? AI, particular AI, like AI that does something like ChatGPT. No, that is not the focus. The focus is that the AI, the technology that all the AI that are going on depend on. You understand? So there are two things that move the crypto market. Okay, one is the hype, social media hype. So a coin can just come into the market like a meme coin, maybe for Maro example, social media influencer, the retailer just make the move. While there are coins that is moved by the bank, the market cap makers. The difference is that if a coin is a move by social media hype, a social influencer, it will move so very fast, but it will come down. Then now another movement is the usage. What is that particular project being used for? So that will determine the relevance of that particular project. Let's say, for example, I created a crypto project that help every other AI, everybody that wants to create AI and bot to make payment. So anybody creating an AI project need to buy something from me. Or I have a crypto project that involves in rendering, you understand, rendering and storage, which means any blockchain that is being built or AI project that is being built, it need to get my services for their storage online. So that means continuously, gradually, that crypto project that I have, that all AI need, that all storage online need, it's a good project because they will be buying it and that project will be adding value. Hope you get this. I want you to understand it, okay? That if a project can sustain the bullish move, that is adding value all the time because of the usage, okay? So now, if a project like this IG is under AI, GameFi, storage, cloud storage, you understand? I will be giving you some name of crypto. I'm just giving you the narrative that is trending. So GameFi, AI, storage, Ethereum layer 2, DeFi. So all these things I've mentioned, if you don't understand them, it's not, it's easy. Just go to Google and say AI, what is AI crypto project? Just Google what is GameFi crypto project. Google what is DeFi, DEFI. Google what is decentralization. So this will be your assignment right now as I'm talking to you. So I don't have to tell you everything. Now, we know that RG Delicium is a good product because it's under AI technology. It offers services under AI and blockchain technology. It means that it will have a lot of value because that is what is traded. That is the narrative. You understand? So now, final goal. So the second question, is it now that this project is good? You know you will invest in it, but is it the right time to invest in it? That is the second question. No, it is not. How do I know that? It's because it has already made the big move. The right time for you to invest in this particular product was here. Let me tell you guys, you don't have to be a professional for you to make money. You even make money than professional if you follow what I'm teaching you right now, okay? So the right time for you to buy was when this range was going on, and immediately, this served as a resistance. For newbies, I know you don't know what resistance means. A resistance simply means the roof. That is where men mount at the top. Where men mount at the top. Let me use that language. Meaning that you are driving the market, you are driving a product, but then there were a place that if the price reach, it will go down. So first time it goes down, second time it hit there and goes down, third time it hits there and goes down. That means that place is a very strong resistance. So it's resisting from the word, it's resisting the price. So now, why this below, look at it, we call it support or demand. Meaning, the price of a product was going down, it was diminished. It was diminished. Then all of a sudden, it reached a place, it refused to go down beyond that. You understand? So that is what we call support. It's a where men mount at the bottom. Resistance is where men mount, say, bro, it will not pass this level. We will not allow it to go higher than this level. We challenge you. That is what we call resistance. Then the down point when men mount, the price was going down. Enough is enough. We can't allow this price to keep crashing. It went up again. It come to that same zone. It's not a particular line, it's a zone. It come to that particular zone again. They push again, say no, we say this price is not crashing beyond this. They push the second time like this. That is called support. Okay, just understand those two terms. It's called support, it's called demand. It's also called, this one, the roof, is called resistance, and it's called supply. Okay, so now guys, I want you to understand that this is not it's a good project, but this is not the right time to buy, simply because of why? The big move. You understand, the resistance have been broken and it has moved very high. So it is time, there is going to be a resistance again to say enough, you have moved this market too much. It's enough to, it's now a time to go down. So you can't buy. No matter how good you know that project is, you can't buy at this particular moment. Are you understanding what I'm saying? So the right time for you to buy this project was when this women mount at the top, that is the resistance, was broken. They were broken. Okay, you mount. Imagine 20 people mount, say this price will not pass here. And finally, first time they resisted, second time they resisted, the third time, boom, they got broken. It's gone. The power. The men that were mounted have been scattered. It's not a free convoy that will move freely. Till those men that mount at this level go and block this other way again. They are likely to block this zone now. They are mounting here because they will reinforce and mount here. But for this zone, they are gone already. Hope you understand this. So now, if you were to buy this crypto, you will be watching just like I bought. You see this line I drew? I bought this and I sold already. So if this men that mount here, this resistor is being broken, I will enter this market because I know it will freely move above. So if you miss, you miss. There are tens of thousands of crypto projects. Don't focus on one. The one that is gone, okay? Unless if it pull back again, then you can go fraud. So guys, that is it. One, research is a good crypto project. How do you know? It should be on the narrative that is trending. Solana ecosystem, Ethereum layer 2, AI, GameFi, storage. I will mention some crypto project under these categories for you. So what I'll just give you here, this is time to buy at the bottom when there was a sharp drop and there was a range and there was a particular resistor that allowed the range to break out, and immediately it broke out. You should have entered from here. That is 5.5. You understand? You should have entered after this candle. You know we are moving up freely. Okay, so now another thing I want you to understand is that this is how everything moves in the market, irrespective of the crypto project. Even though it's a bad project, that is how it moves. But I want you to focus on the project that focus on those narrative I just told you about. But that project have to be at the bottom or at a pullback where it is ranging and it's expected to pull out. Let me show you that this is how everything works. Let me show you another one. ICP broke out earlier. We made money from it. Look at what ICP was doing. So please, it have to be on your weekly. Check this on your weekly or daily. I'm on my weekly now, okay? It has to be on your weekly time frame or daily, okay? I know some of you don't know how to use TradingView. I'm on TradingView. Our next, subscribe and turn on the bell notification. Our next training will be on how to use this TradingView, okay? All right, guys, I'm using a mobile phone. I'm using a mobile phone. Most of my audience use mobile. They are having only mobile phone. I will appreciate if you can also give me a laptop. So now, there was a sharp drop over the years from ICP. What happened over the year? There was a range. If this thing tried to come up, men mount here, they resist it. It comes up, they resist it. The support also was mounted at this zone. The men mount here say, we don't agree. It's not going beyond this zone. The men at resistance say, no, it's not going above this zone. The men at support say, no, we are not going beyond this level again. It can't go lower than this. Then finally, it comes, and the men at the resistance at the top say no, it can't go higher. Finally, immediately it came down a little. the men at the bottom say we are overpowering you. They broke these men, they broke them, they scattered the men that mount at this here, and immediately they scattered them. You know, everybody will tear race. Everybody have to run away, just like a fight, just like a war. You know, when soldiers mount at the zone, you understand, and you know, the front line was broken. Immediately the front line was broken, every other soldier have to escape first. They will now go and do reinforcement and find another zone, another front line to mount, right? So it has been broken. So immediately it was broken by this particular candle. It might be a daily or a weekly candle, and it closed well like this. You know that, bro, this zone has been broken, this front line has been broken. There is going to be a free movement, a free pump till you reach another zone. And how do you know the zone that the next mount will be? This is where there was mount before. This was a checking point before. Where there was up and down is a checking point. Take it as a checking point. We call it resistance. So that zone, you know that it is the next zone that this reinforcement will come about. They will come and mount here. So that is why you should take profit from here. We'll be talking about taking profit. And why are you taking profit, and which zone should you take profit in our next class. So now what I want you to focus on, guys, is that you should know it happens to all the coin. That is how the market moves. So you see, immediately it was broken. This will have been the place for you to buy ICP. I bought here. I'm still holding ICP. I bought here. I've taken my first 75% profit immediately on top of that candle. That is at 5.5. I bought for my brother also. You understand? So now that's where you should enter, because this mount have been broken, this resistance, this trend line. You understand? You have to draw the trend line downward the way it is happening. Okay, right, guys, it happened. You know, see, immediately it broke, it moved up, and when it moved up, you have to take profit here. So this is what happened to all of them. Just tell me any of the crypto that has moved. I want you to compare. Okay, let me also check R. I took profit from this yesterday on the 28th. It moved almost 35%. Did you see R? Same thing, guys. Look at it. R drop to an extent that the support mount said we are not going beyond here. We are not going beyond here. When they want to push forward, let's push the market up. Resistance was formed first time. It comes down. We are not going beyond here again. They push up. Resistance was mount. Men mount at the top. Men mount at the bottom. Support and resistance, and then they go again, they push down till finally these men at the bottom push up, and they were trying to come down, they push up again. So you should have entered this market at this particular candle that stood well above this resistance. So now ask me, is it time to buy R? R is a good project. Let me tell you why R is a good project and why it is in my portfolio. RWIF, that is the right name. You can see it from the top. Is for storage. Storage of what? When you are building all these things, they are building AI, blockchain. Where do you think they are storing the data? You enter your email, they keep memories of everything that is happening. Where do you think those information are being stored? Those information are being stored in cloud. Okay, so RWIF, Filecoin, Randa ICP, all those ones, they are projects that I just told you under GPU. They offer storage and rendering services. Remember, I told you GPU, that is storage, is the most strongest narrative, because as you have AI, GameFi, blockchain, where are they storing their information? So those are good narrative, those are good projects, because they will be sought after. People will give them money to store data for them. People will give them money to render game and AI project for them. Okay, guys, that is what I can say. But what I'm trying to tell you, that you consider the narrative and you consider the price action. This is what we call the price action. Okay, the price action, what is happening in the market. These are candles that are showing you what is happening. So this candle indicate what is happening now. Immediately there is a break from this door. The price action is telling you that money is going to be pumped into the market and is going to move freely till you have the next checkpoint. Okay, guys. If you see ICP, you see this R, you see chain link, also check chain link. because it has also made its own movement. All the coin that pop with BTC till BTC get to 64, look at how they broke out. So now the question is, since all these coins, Mr. Zach, they have already pumped, what do I do? Should I still buy? Don't buy a coin that have already popped like R. The next thing is that the men that we mount here will push this coin down a bit before it goes up again. Don't buy, it has already moved. The project R is a good project, it will always be in my portfolio. Filecoin is a good project, it has already made it move. Render, it has made it move. ICP, it has made it move. They will make another move after pullback. After the men at the top push it down a bit, a little, there is a little fight before another break. Okay, don't buy now. Bad time to buy R. You might hear a YouTuber talking about R. Yes, R is a good project, but is it time to buy R? Just like I asked you, is it time to buy red oil because you know red oil is a good product? No, there is a time to buy red oil if you are in Nigeria to store. Yeah, guys, that is it. So now, what project are you to buy? How do I know how do I find them? Add all the projects you have been hearing, both the one you have not been hearing. Go to, you'll be adding them, come to your trading view, add them to something like this. Look at them. Add them to a list, or you go to your exchange like mexc, go to market, then you go to click on spot, and you can change this to by clicking change to have the top gainers. Then you start looking for coin, and when you have this coin, recommendedly go and add them to a list. If the list full, create another list to on your trading view. So what you'll be doing for you to get this coin is that you click open it, then you open your weekly, recommendedly if you want to trade spot, then your weekly time frame, then start scrolling to be seeing more. So any coin that you see, it has not made it move. This one have already made it big move, which is BTC. Maro has made it move, about to move again. So I can say Maro is a good coin to buy, okay? But the one I like most, it's not something like this, but Maro have already pulled back. It's time to go up again. You understand? The one I love most, let me see the one I love most. I will show you. All right, Core is another good coin. It's another good coin, but it's not giving me the shape I have to have full confidence. This have already made it move. Arrow. Filecoin, it has made it move, but it's still early. This is exactly what I'm telling you guys. Are you seeing Filecoin? Filecoin is still early. Look at it. It just broke. I've been holding Filecoin since it was for 4.4. I entered Filecoin at 4.4 and it's at 7. I've taken 50% profit. So, but it's still early. The move that broke this zone, very soon there will be a little pullback. Then you can enter. This is the perfect what I'm looking for. Even if you enter now, as far as it's spot, it is still very good. It just broke this. So it is time to move. It will move freely till it get to this zone. So file, you should have around 20. File should reach around 16 to 20 before you start seeing resistance. So even if you enter now, I'm telling you, you will make money from this. But let me search. This is a coin I'm looking into now. I'm looking into FA. And why am I looking into it? It gives me the perfect shape. But after giving me the perfect shape, I don't know what is filer. So all I need to go is to go to CoinMarketCap, that give me the perfect shape, and go and search for filer. What is it all about? Is it under AI GameFi, storage, DeFi, dimping? If it is, I know it falls in the narrative that I want. So I can gradually, let me scroll down and check about. Okay, Filer Network is a co-processor for blockchains, developer, deploy, FAT contract, off-chain program for co-processor, enhancing dApps. That is exactly what I was looking at. Google all these things: dApps, DeFi, dimping, blockchain. You understand? So connectivity and internet access. This is just like ICP, okay? Something in function. I don't need to read white paper. I need some people say go and read the full white paper. The heading alone is enough for me. You can also go to their website to read more. But this gives me the right shape. That is why I have to go and research about it. This is the shape I'm looking for. This thing just broke out from this weekly resistance where men mount here, men mount here, men mount here. Support, men mount here, men mount here, men mount here, men mount here. And now they have broken this man above. So what will happen? Free movement is gonna be a pumping to the moon. Where next will I put my take profit, which we are going to discuss around this particular zone, that is 0.1 to 0.6. That is where we are heading to. We are heading to 0.6. If this break out, it has already broke out, so you can enter this particular market now with my full chest. I can enter. I'm not giving financial advice. Hello, this is not a financial advice, please. This is just an educational purpose. For me, I will enter this full chest now, or I will allow a little pullback. I will enter, but not to amaze. I will put some money already. If it pull back, I will add more position. Boom, free movement to 0.6 to the moon. So guys, do you see what I just told you? This is powerful. This is all you need to trade. In fact, this is the summary of everything you need to trade spot. Okay, the only thing I will teach you now is the small things you want to be hearing on trading view, support and demand, supply and resistance, blah blah blah. But guy, after this video, go and start trading. If you have some money deposited on spot, and this, look for, go to your exchange you are using, the coins that are down, all-time losers, start adding them. The down one, all-time losers, just like I show you from Mexc. If you are using Mexc exchange, you click change. These are coins that are up. You click change. These are coins that are down. You can also use this app called Crypto Bubble. You use Crypto Bubble, this app. Search it, Crypto Bubble. For the last 1 hour, which coin are up? This green one are the one are up. 1 day, which coin are up? This green one are the ones that are up. You can see Bong made 59% a day. So weekly, you can see Bong made 94%. AR made 118. So the last month. So check the ones that are down. You understand? You start adding them to your trading view. So you will now have a lot of coin in your trading view. So you cannot be checking the chart. The one that gives you this shape, that is about to make it move. This coin, Fala, haha, I'm going to pop in money. It's about to make it move, okay? Not financial advice, okay? Then that is what you look into. I think I also have, so fire, FAF, Aya. So fire is also a good coin to look into. If I check the daily time frame, if you check the weekly, it might not give you a good shape, but if you check the daily, you can see this coin have broken this particular resistance. And because of BTC pullback yesterday, when BTC hit 64K, it has to pull back. But this is a good time to buy this coin. Not a financial advice. Like I say, anything can happen in crypto. Nothing is guaranteed, okay? But for me, this is what we're looking to. Not just for me. Like I showed you, all the coins that broke out, this is how they do. So this is a good coin. Not after it has made it move above, then you now say, oh, you now. It's when it makes it move that you'll be hearing it on YouTube. Before it makes it move, nobody will be talking about it. So it's only you that can do this research for yourself. For me, I've done this research. I'm buying this now. It's when I reach here now, you'll be hearing, I've already been in profit before you hear YouTuber talking about it. That it make 50%, it make 40% already, okay? So guys, that is how this also, Crypto Bubble will help you to do research. You can also do research from your exchange, check the all-time losers, start adding them to your watch list on TradingView. Then be checking the chart for individual and see the one they have made more. You can see QENT. There are thousands of crypto projects. It's also time to buy because it has crossed. I just mark it out. Let me put it on the weekly chart. So let me put it on the weekly chart. So I think it has had it move as usual. Then there was a big pullback. Pullback, resistance, and the resistance was broken, pull back now. I think this is the time to go up, okay? So from analysis, this is the perfect stuff, okay? After broken here, you will have take this move. If you miss it, it has pulled back to that move. So this is the time again. This is a retest. We call it a retest of the move. So it's the time to go up now, okay? So guys, these are what you should look into. Don't go and buy coins that have already made it move. No matter how, this AR, like I told you, ICP, chain link, they are my top file. They are my top, what is it, portfolio. Portfolio means the coin, the good, perfect project that you want to follow in this particular bull run. But I've taken profit for here. Don't go and buy where people are selling. We have sold. We that enter, we enter here and we have sold here. Don't go and start buying here. It will dump on you. Don't try it, okay? Guys, you are not an expert. You are not an expert when it comes to trading spot. This is all you need, okay? The other things you might not know, how to draw all these things, how to use trading view, I'll be showing you. All right, guys, this will be the end of our video. You can trade perfectly now. Remember the narrative, Solana ecosystem. If a token is under Solana ecosystem, there's a lot of liquidity, money going into Solana project, so it will move. It's a good narrative. Ethereum layer 2, Solana ecosystem, such coin are WEM, Maro, Jupiter, Pat, and others. Ethereum layer 2, Mubi, Metis, ARB, you understand. Then storage, we have Render, storage and rendering, we have Render, we have ICP, we have Filecoin, Arweave, and the narrative, which other? GameFi, yeah. We have Tau and others, and AI, we have AIOZ. So those are good narrative. But like I say, check any crypto project that gives you this shape if you want to buy, and check if it falls under those narratives. If it falls under those narratives, it means that it's following the trend. There's a lot of money going to pump into it. Just because it's at the bottom doesn't mean it will not go. It will go because it stands in the narrative of crypto that money is going to pump into it. So you have to clue. You know it's going to pump, and it gives you the shape. It has not pumped yet. You know that it's time to pump is coming. So better put your money before it pump. Okay. Subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this YouTube channel. If you are watching this on TikTok and any other way or YouTube, check the description of this video. You will see a Telegram group where we do airdrop and mining. If you don't have money to trade spot, make some money from free. Then if you have some money, it's time for you to invest in spot before BTC breaks 65 zone. Invest. This is the bull run. That means in 2024 you must get rich if you subscribe to our channel and also follow us on our Telegram. Thank you. See you in the next video.